This repair video for the P229F error code is specifically tailored for Mercedes drivers. If your Mercedes is showing up P229F code, this is for you. It indicates that the NOx sensor circuit is out of range or has a performance issue. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car: faulty NOx sensor, damaged wiring or connectors, exhaust system contamination, DEF system problems. So here are the two practical solutions to fix the P229F error code at home. Oxygen sensor replacement. Carefully remove the oxygen sensor from the catalytic converter and visually check the oxygen sensor electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. PCM replacement. The PCM is usually located in the engine bay, under the dash or near the firewall, usually mounted with bolts or clips and connected to a wiring harness. Unplug the wiring harness carefully. There may be clips or levers on the connector. Remove any bolts or brackets holding the PCM in place. Take out the old PCM. Install the new PCM in the reverse order. Plug in the wiring harness securely. Secure it with bolts or brackets. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Dodge, Audi, Mercedes, BMW, and Volkswagen. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.